President Duterte has signed into law the bill granting free tuition at state universities.
President Duterte has signed a law mandating free access to technical vocational education.
Mga mahirap na estudyante tiyak na makikinabang sa nilagdaang batas ng Pangulo sa
President Rodrigo Duterte signs the law providing free tuition for students of 112
President Duterte has signed into law the Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education Act, a measure granting free tuition for
President Rodrigo Duterte has finally signed into law.
Sa Sabado, magiging batas na ang libreng matrikula sa lahat ng mga state universities.
Magandang tanghali, nilagdaan na ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang panukalang batas na magbibigay ng libreng matrikula sa mga state.
And it is blue collar sa pamilya who are having difficulty finding a job. President Rodrigo Duterte has already signed the public